Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
If you are thankful and grateful to nature every morning as you woke up, happiness would come out within you.
There is a pleasure in the pathless wind. There is a rapture in the lonely shores.
There is where none intrudes by the deep sea and music in its room.
Good morning, everyone.
As we all know, today we have gathered here to celebrate World Environment Day.
On this day, we spread awareness regarding the environmental issues like rising pollution and climate change.
Do you know from when we started to celebrate this day?
Yes, from 1974, every year we celebrate this day as World Environment Day.
This gave a global platform to inspire positive changes in the environment.
Let's call Nikat Miss for her welcome speech.
Every sunrise brings the promise of a new dusk. With this beautiful quote, I wish you all a very awesome and pleasant morning. A hearty welcome to all the respected dignitaries and all the viewers watching this program. Dear children, 5th June, as you all know, is a day on which we spread awareness about the environment and the need to conserve it. Yes, it is celebrated as World Environment Day all over the world. It is essential to advocate for a greener environment and conservation of nature. If we conserve the environment today, the future generations will be able to lead a healthier life. We should not be selfish and use the resources for ourselves. Especially in this pandemic situation, it is the need of time to save the environment. So my dear children, this World Environment Day is the perfect opportunity to make people aware of the issues we are facing and how one can contribute to saving it. So welcoming all, let us take a first step to save environment and raise global awareness. So let us all take an oath to keep our beautiful country as Green India, Clean India.
I pledge to create more greener and pure planet.
Plant a tree, plant a home.
Thank you.
Thank you Nikhat Miss and Shivani Miss for your welcome speech and oath.
On behalf of our Teresian family, we assure you that we will follow the oath.
And bring it out to the society. But do you know that about 1 million species are on the verge of extinction? And the main reason for this is the gradual loss of biodiversity, which is led by the human activities.
Let's see this through a classical dance on biodiversity. Thank you for your heartwarming performance.
All for one and one for all. Keep biodiversity or our future may fall.
Look deep into nature and you will understand everything better.
Our Teresian minds have made many such slogans and posters on World Environment Day.
Let's check out them through the presentation.
These slogans and posters were really an artistic creation.
Imagine, Jia, you wake up tomorrow and there are no trees, no plants, and no environment. How is
This
the
will
situation?
really be a very terrible situation.
Thus, biodiversity is important for human existence.
So let's get acquainted to the importance of biodiversity through the speech.
Earth is where we humans live and grow. This is what we call home. But why are we hurting our home? Good morning, respected principals, Sister Juliet, Vice Principal, Sister Little Rose, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Bayal Rajwani, and my friend
Vishal Agrawal.
are here to present before you our views on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June.
The purpose of World Environment Day is to raise awareness regarding environmental issues such as marine pollution, global warming, and global retreats.
This year, our school is also celebrating World Environment Day with a theme Celebrate Biodiversity. Biodiversity means number and variety of plants and other organisms that exist in the ecosystem.
As we know, human beings are a part of ecosystem and cannot continue to survive in isolation. Biodiversity is very important for the survival of living things. It can either be small or big, or in land or in water. We need to understand that there may be a food chain or ranking of species. Every living is connected to another living, and they together form a network of biodiverse life that form on the planet.
But due to human activities, our biodiversity is in danger. There are various threats to our biodiverse ecosystem. Number 1. Ecosystem degradation and ecosystem conversion, or habitat loss of various plants and animals due to exploitation of resources, agricultural conversion, and urbanization. Number 2. Pollution. Increase in level of pollution, be it in land, water, or in air. All forms of pollution appears to be a threat for all living forms on the earth.
Number 3. Invasive species. Exotic and unnatural species can be land of organism, and they have introduced to a foreign habitat, and hence there may be a threat to all native species. Number 4. Climate change. Increase in temperature due to global warming has such major effects like changing in seasons, rising of sea levels, and glacier retreats. Due to all these threats, many of the special species like mammoth, white dolphin, etc. has already extinct. Species like rhinoceros, tiger, and Sumatran elephants are on the verge of extinction.
We can preserve biodiversity and restore ecosystem by various ways like number 1. Creating protected areas like wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves. Number 2. Having a check on global warming and decrease the level of pollution.
Number 3. Deforestation should be strictly prohibited. Number 4. We should preserve very useful species and we should create public regardless about biodiversity conversation and it's important.
So, at last but not the least, I would like to say that save green and blue before our future generation have to paint everything black.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal and Payal. Your speech was precisely important.
We all know that the topmost layer of Earth, that is crust, is fragmented into large pieces of mass, which we call tectonic plates. That has only led to the formation of several continents. But around 800 million years ago, these great tectonic plates had came together and formed a supercontinent called Rhodinium.
This was such an amazing and unknown fact, Jia.
There are many more such interesting facts about our own planet Earth of which we are still unaware. So to get acquainted with them, amazing facts about Earth.
Good morning everyone. Some interesting facts, natural phenomena that will sweep you off your feet. First, moonbow Hawaii. Also called as lunar rainbows, it differs from usual rainbows only in the fact that these glistening are created by the shimmers of moon rays rather than the sun. Second, Lake Hillier, Australia. This high salinity of the water combined with the energy emitted by the microalgae Dunalia salina results in this vibrant natural phenomenon in Australia. Third, snow chimneys, Antarctica. A song of ice and fire, literally. The protruding snow pillars is a result of the hat inside fighting the cold outside. Fourth, Lake Natron, Tanzania, official home to thousands of lesser flamingos. Despite its extremely high alkalinity, is this mysterious lake along the northern Tanzania. Fifth, Yangtze Island from China, the official color palette of the earth. Amazing animal facts that will surprise you. First, one species of jellyfish is immortal. It can revert back its child state after having become sexually mature and therefore never dies. Second, wild dolphins call each other by the name Oi Flipper. Third, the flamingo can only eat when its head is upside down. Fourth, cows can sleep standing up but they can only dream lying down. Fifth, sea otters hold each other's paws when they sleep so they don't drift apart. Thank you.
These facts were indeed informative and unknown.
On 22nd May, International Biodiversity Day was there, on occasion of which Maharashtra State Biodiversity Board, Nagpur, have organized a state-level poster competition.
We feel proud to announce that a student from 10th standard from our school has achieved first position in this competition, Jnanada Kadu.
Audio Jungle.
पर्यावरण है प्रकृति का दिया गया वरदान.
इसकी रक्षा कर पाओ जीवन का अमरदान.
So with this thought, last but not the least, I would like to call Sapna Miss for the vote of thanks.
A very good morning to our management, teachers, parents and our dear students. I would like to wish everyone a happy World Environment Day. On this occasion, I, Mrs. Swapna Changre, on behalf of St. Teresa's Convent Higher Secondary School, deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I would like to quote, "It is not yours, nor mine, it is ours, so protect our Mother Earth who nourished us." First of all, I would like to thank God Almighty to help us on every step to make this program such an enlightened one, even during these difficult times. I would like to thank the management deeply for their timely help and support, without which we won't be able to make this program a successful one. We are grateful to very enthusiastic and dedicated teachers and non-teaching staff and our parents and participants for their hard work and sincerity. I would like to thank our dear students and all Teresian family members. With this, I conclude. Thank you.